Boaters and beach lovers' dream. Experience a true coastal escape from this Key West-style home. Fabulous open floor plan boasting over 4,000 square feet of living space. Home has numerous French doors that open to many balconies throughout the entire house. The Don Cesar Resort is in view from the back balconies. Surrounded by the intercoastal waterway and bay where you can enjoy boating, paddle boarding, fishing, kayaking, canoeing and bird watching. Only minutes by boat to the Gulf. Deep water access to the intercoastal waterway and bays right off the driveway where a dock and 9,000 pounds lift are located. Lush tropical landscape surrounds this beautiful home with brick paver driveway. Brand new central air and newly installed wood fence. Imagine entertaining family and friends poolside with a cabana convenient for guests. Cabana has a full bath and air conditioner. Harwood floors throughout the house with the exception of the kitchen, bathrooms and foyer. The first level features an exercise room or whatever you'd like it to be with an electric fireplace and a full bath and French door that goes out to the swimming pool and an oversized 2-car garage. The second level features an open floor plan with high ceilings, kitchen/dining area, home office, half bath and a laundry room. Awesome kitchen with granite kitchen and an oversized butcher block island perfect for cooking. French doors open up to the front balcony overlooking the intercoastal and the back balcony overlooks the saltwater pool with views of the sunsets. The third level features a spacious main bedroom with an ensuite bathroom with a jacuzzi, double vanity and separate shower. There are 2 guest bedrooms with a full bath and all bedrooms have their very own balconies. Just minutes walk to a private beach for Don Cesar residents, 10 minutes to the vibrant downtown street. Petersburg, 30 minutes to Tampa International Airport and quick access to I-75. You can even drive your own golf cart around past a grill in the neighborhood. Make an A.